Welcome to my channel. I'm SEI and today we are exploring the SEI blockchain. When you are new to crypto or just want to learn new things, this is the perfect place to start. SEI is not only quick, it is the quickest layer 1 blockchain in the crypto world. That means it can move your crypto or data faster than any other place, which is awesome for trading, for playing or for gaming. Imagine playing games where everything happens instantly. That is SEI. It helps make games that are fun and easy to play without waiting. And if you love collecting unique digital items, SEI make it easy and cheaper to create and trade them. Think of it like buying art without the big price tag on the frame. SEI is great for newcomers because it's simple to use, has a friendly community and it doesn't cost much to get started. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon and tell me in the comments what do you think about SEI.